Chill, welcome back to another video. Let's get back into the breakdown of the 2JZGTE motor. Remember from the last video, I went ahead and removed the turbos, so that side is done. Now I'm going to be working on the intake side, the remainder of the engine harness and the intake manifold and whatever else that comes with it. So I'm going to be working on that and then go from there. So keep you guys posted and I'll let you guys know. Let's go ahead and get started. Quick little update, pretty easy. I took off the whole engine harness, and to do that obviously we had to take off the upper part of the intake to go ahead and do that. Pretty simple. I mean, I kind of had a feel for it already because when I was removing the engine harness off my stock motor that came with the GS, you know, I kind of know where everything is. Very similar how they run. So there's the engine harness. Just gonna keep that just in case, you know, it has some goodies, you know, like igniter. I mean, I'm not gonna use that, but you know, it has some good stuff here. Couple plugs and stuff like that that you never know that I can use, or just in case if anything. So I'll just keep that for now. Obviously I'm gonna keep the ECU. Gonna have to use that for the body harness, so I'm gonna go with a standalone to run the engine. I'm thinking of Haltech, but that's down the road. Until I get there I won't think about that, but for now let's just keep going on the teardown. Looks like the intake side's pretty much almost done. Just gotta take off the remainder runners here to the motor, and I don't know what else I'm gonna take off. I don't know if I'm gonna go into like taking some of the stuff for the oil filter and the coolant water line. I don't know if I'm gonna do any of that stuff yet, but let me keep going. All right, so I completed both sides of the motor. I got the whole intake manifold side with the engine harness and obviously the turbo side. So what leaves me now is the front end of the motor. So I'm gonna start off with the whole oil filter unit or assembly here, and then work my way to the compressor, power steering pump, and stuff like that. So that's what I'll be working on next. Alright guys, so I ended up not recording doing the crank pulley, and me and my boy Sheldon, we finally took it off. Ended up using one of those jack poles, a breaker bar, and then like a chain bar to hold the crank pulley itself, and we were able to break it free. This was definitely not a one-man job, so man, what a pain in the ass that was. But now I'm gonna try to see if I can wrap up this video. I'm gonna try to take off as much as I can here, as far as this casing, the water pump, maybe the tensioner itself. And then I don't know about the cam gears or anything like that, or if I'm gonna leave that for like the next video, but we'll try to do as much as we can for now, and then go from there. Hopefully in the next video, I'll be able to go ahead and have the head removed. So, all right guys, so keep you posted. Peace.